How to turn off shuffle on Spotify. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can turn off shuffle on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to turn off shuffle on Spotify, all you have to do is first of all open the Spotify app. Once you open the Spotify application, let's say that you're playing a specific playlist over here. So basically I'm playing a specific playlist. The problem is that when I just end this song and it gets to the end of the song, instead of playing the next song, it directly plays a random song from the playlist. You don't really want that to happen and you want to turn off shuffle. Well, in order to do this, first of all you have to understand that this option is only available for premium users, and I am myself also a premium user. So if you have a free Spotify account, then you will not be able to turn off shuffle. You just have to play whatever Spotify is going to recommend to you with ads and without skipping the songs. So to do this, all you have to do is just tap the shuffle icon. If you have premium here, you have turned on shuffle like this. If you want to turn off shuffle, just turn off this green loop icon that you see over here, and shuffle is going to get turned off basically. And that is it on how you can go ahead and then turn off shuffle on Spotify. But as I repeat, this is a premium feature. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.